Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of creating a DIY lithophane night lamp using 3D printing. Let's get started. Here is the design that I created. The night lamp is designed in a cube shape, consisting of 4 lithophane panels that display photo images. The LED is placed at the bottom of the lamp, and I use a circular LED to ensure the light is distributed evenly across all panels. This placement also helps to reduce harsh shadows and improves the clarity of the images when the lamp is turned on. Next, to create the lithophane panel that will display the photo, we will use lithophanemaker.com. Select the flat lithophane maker option. Then upload the image you want to display on the panel. In the crop image section, adjust the selection box and scale according to your photo. Make sure the important part of the image is properly centered and well positioned. For the settings such as resolution, height, width, depth, and other parameters, you can follow the same settings shown in this video. To generate the lithophane STL file, first enter your email address and click the Create STL button. Wait until the process is complete and your browser starts downloading the file. After the download is finished, open the file and extract all the contents. Make sure the STL file is properly extracted before you continue to the next step. Next, open the downloaded STL file in the slicer software you use for 3D printing. Make sure the print orientation is set to vertical. This orientation is important to achieve finer detail and better image quality on the lithophane surface. Add a brim to improve bed adhesion, and set the infill to 100% to ensure the best light contrast and image clarity. Here are the parts that we will assemble for making lithophane night lamp. These include the 3D printed case, the lithophane panels, the LED, and the power switch. The lithophane consists of 4 panels, which will be installed on all sides of the cube. This design allows the images to be visible from every direction. Make sure all parts are ready before starting the assembly process, including the wiring for the LED and the switch. First, install the LED at the bottom of the case using 3 screws. Then, solder the switch wires to the LED according to the positive and negative terminals. Make sure the polarity is correct. After that, test the connection by turning the switch on to ensure the LED lights up properly. Next, turn the upper cover so it is facing upward, and insert the lithophane panels into the slots in the upper case. Make sure each lithophane panel fits properly into the slots. If the fit is too tight, you can carefully trim the edge of the lithophane using a cutter or hobby knife. Once all panels are positioned correctly, carefully attach the bottom case from the top side. Make sure each lithophane panel slides into its slot smoothly. This method helps make the assembly process easier and prevents damage to the panels. Next, flip the box so it returns to its normal top and bottom orientation. Then, secure the top and bottom parts using 4 screws to hold everything firmly in place. Once this is done, your lithophane LED night lamp is complete and ready to use. This wraps up this tutorial on how to make an LED lithophane night lamp using 3D printing. I also use a switch with brightness control, so you can adjust the light intensity to match your preference and create a more comfortable atmosphere. During the design process, I also considered the heat from the LED. That is why I added a protective cover at the bottom of the lamp to prevent direct contact with the LED and make the lamp safer to use. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helps you create your own lithophane night lamp at home. If you find this project useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects. See you in the next video.